Hey, I'm Noah Rasheta, president of the USPPA. Just wanted to welcome you to the sport and invite you to check out our website, usppa.org, where hopefully you can find some additional resources, tools, and tips to help you fly for a long time and in a safe way. Welcome to the sport. Safe flying.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, so I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is stars. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot,
but it's pretty good from up there.
Beautiful. We will glow in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible.
Clear! Oh man. Please tell me you're not going to ground start that thing.
What?
It's not on your back, it's not on the rack.
Oh
You're just gonna hurt
man,
yourself.
I'll be okay. I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, I'll be careful. Whatever. Idiot.
Ow.
Hey Will, how's it going? What's up, Will? Yeah man, doing real good. Right arm. I mean, right on.
Hey Will, Brian Waller here, man, and I got a tip for anybody that's thinking about getting into the sport. Get off your butt and do it.
Hey guys, I see a lot of new students or even new pilots that have a tendency to jump in their seat too early. So when you're launching, you need to make sure you get up in the air, clear your flying before you try jumping in that seat. You'll save yourself a lot of damage.
I'm going to meet up with my buddies Brooke Sheffield and Brian Waller. They're working with some new students. See what that's all about.
What's up, dude? What's up, man? I didn't know you were coming.
We got Mr. Brian Waller. We got Sean, new student. We got a dozen flights already. Day 4. Awesome.
Get the Paramotor book by Jeff Going.
Awesome,
and
man.
read it. Cover to cover.
Yeah, and read it. It's not good enough to just get it.
Right.
Brian Waller here. Object fixation is a real thing, and if you stare at it, you're probably going to hit it.
So you just had your first flight?
I did just have my first flight.
What's your name, man?
Sean.
Sean? Right on, I'm Will.
Will,
Yeah.
nice to meet you,
How
man.
was it? Seriously.
It was...
You have to pick one word. What was the one word?
Oh, one word. Oh my gosh. I mean, I'm feeling it in my body. I'm feeling it in my heart right now.
Pretty sure that's a heart attack.
Yeah. It was so fun.
Hey, I'm Brooke Sheffield with Red Pill Paramotor and Carolina PPG. Coming to you with a little tip for you new guys and people interested in the sport. Take a tandem ride in a tandem machine with a qualified tandem instructor and figure out if this wonderful sport is something for you.
You have fun?
Hey, well, it's Eric Lear with ppglear.com. My tip to new students would be, before you do anything, go out, meet with a lot of schools, find out what instructor is the best for you. Like the dog? Anyways, ask a lot of questions. Find out how much it's going to cost. find out if they use the syllabus or not. And then once you get all your information, go ahead and put it all together, make your decision, and go for it.
Got a student here getting ready to do a power taxi. It teaches you to push back against the motor as you're moving forward.
Congratulations, dude.
Thanks.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Hey, Ross, if there was one piece of advice you could give someone who's just starting out, what would it be?
Number one, training before gear. People who say that they're gonna get a wing and they're gonna get gear and then they're gonna get training.
Yeah.
How do you know what you like until you've actually flown something?
Yeah.
I've watched more people come into classes with a brand new unit of one brand or another that aren't bad units, but they turned out not to be the right one for that person after they flew.
Right on, man.
Hey, Will. My name is Sean Simons, PPG Grandpa. My tip is to always assume that you are going to land out someplace. It was almost 80 degrees today, but I wore long sleeves here. I wear boots and parachute pants. I got a battery that I can hook up to my phone. Also have some tools in this tool bag and a little bag that I can put my wing in, so I didn't have to worry about it floating away.
Flying Flamingo Jade here in sunny Wisconsin. Hey, if you know somebody that's thinking about getting into the sport but they're not sure because they use one of these or have in the past, prosthetics, back problems,
don't worry, you can always try.
Fly safe, everyone, from ParamotorGirl.com.
Hi, Will. It's Shane from Never Trust a Skinny Chef Shane on YouTube. For a new pilot, the advice I would give them would be don't showboat for cameras. As you're building your skill sets, someone's going to pull out a camera and you're going to want to show off just a little harder than normal. That's going to bite you.
What's up, guys? It's Ben here from North Carolina. You know, my advice to newer pilots would be set yourself up for success by seeking out favorable weather conditions. Be patient. You'll find that perfect night with light, laminar winds, and you can enjoy it and have those successes stack up one after another.
Oh, hey, didn't see you guys come in there. What's that? Advice for new pilots getting into the sport? Sure, something that always helped me was having people videotape me on takeoff and landing. That allowed me to go home, watch them, and take note of my form and see what I could do better, pass it on to other pilots, see what, any advice they would have. And then this allowed me to come back out and be a better pilot.
Eric Owens, all around nice guy. Hey Eric, what advice would you give to someone who's just starting out paramotoring?
I would say one of the things is definitely do a pre-flight before you leave the house to make sure everything's good. Take your time setting your wing out and don't get impatient.
Preparation and patience.
What's always, that's right.
Nice, Eric. What are you gonna perform for us today?
The 360 Aqua.
Oh yeah, there was a 360 and there was the ass bust.
This was a collective project and a bit of an experiment, but I'd like to give a big shout out and thank you to the Paramotor pilots who willingly shared their time and their tips. They're the ones that made this video possible. So that's all I got for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, ciao.
Get off your butt and do it.
Your dreams come alive.